Good afternoon, everyone. I just got royally by the rain. I went to Co-op to get a food shop, and then the heavens opened and I literally spent about 5-10 minutes waiting at traffic light as well, because the traffic light by where I live takes so long to change. Literally everyone was like screaming. It was like that torrential downpour. So I'm pretty soaked now. My leggings, I don't know if you can even see, are soaking, and the food got pretty wet. But the reason why I ran to do a food shop is because we are going to Norfolk this weekend. If you watch my videos, then you'll see that we have been before. Sam's parents own like a cabin, so we're going there for the weekend. It's bank holiday weekend. We're gonna have a nice break. So since I had to put the food on the floor to dry and I'm separating it into fridge and non-fridge, I thought I'd show you what I got. We're planning on just being really lazy and eating pizzas tonight, but these are our faves. They're from the Co-op and they're so good, they're actually on offer. And then we've got like smoked salmon for breakfast, also some streaky bacon for other breakfast, because we'll have like 3 mornings. Tomato, spinach, raspberries, garlic bread for a meal I'm making on Sunday night. I'm gonna make our favorite meal, pasta bows. Don't know if you've seen me make it before. It's with like mince, wine, double cream, parmesan, parsley, obviously pasta, and it is super delicious. Then I got like some hummus here and some olives just for snacks, and these like really nice veggie tortilla chips, which are delicious. I got some butter because I'm going to make some cookies. I've got like a pre-made mix thing from Oppo that they sent me. Some raspberry trifles for dessert. And yeah, eggs, bananas, some really nice looking sourdough bread, avocados, these for the car journey because obviously. And I think I've packed everything here. We take like our own bedding and towels because then it's just easier to like change the sheets. I've got like some gin and tonic because I haven't tried this, and I think it's a present. It's raspberry gin liqueur. It sounds really good. And then I've got 3 different red wines because I couldn't choose, so I'm gonna let Sam decide. And yeah, this is the cookie mixture I was talking about that Oppo sent me. You're supposed to buy the ice cream. They gave me a voucher for it, but I cannot find their new chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream anywhere in Waitrose, so that's a bit annoying. But I'll make the cookies. And then yeah, we're packing like our dressing gowns. It's meant to be quite cold this weekend, so we've got our coats as well. So yeah, it should be a really nice weekend, and I'm going to take you along with us. Look who's how.
Hi.
Hi. We're gonna go now, aren't we?
Let's go.
We are on our way. Traffic's not too bad, is it?
It's okay. I think maybe we've just missed a lot of it. It's quite late now.
Yeah, what time is it?
Almost 8, 10.
It's almost 8. We're probably not going to get there till like 10:30. We're just driving through like Canary Wharf though. It's really cool. We've not come through this way. We're coming through like central East London, aren't we? Well, not in central London, but you know what I mean.
Near Canary Wharf now, yeah.
I can't stop touching my hair because I put coconut oil in it today, like just the Vita Coco coconut oil, and just put it all through my hair. It was so greasy, and put it in a bun for like 3 hours and then washed it out, and it literally, this bit of my hair, because I've got no plait, just feels so soft. I'm obsessed.
The hurricane came and devastation reigned. Our man saw his street. There ain't nothing left to do for someone that's astute. He would have been destitute without a sense of restitution. Started walking.
We're here and we are watching Naked Attraction, but it's a weird one, isn't it, where they're looking for a threesome. Just when you think the show couldn't get any more bizarre. But it is quite late now and we're just eating some snacks. And yeah, like I said, we're at a little cabin. If you want to see it, like a little house tour, then I filmed it properly the last time we were here, which was back in March, so the video will be up. And yeah, we are just gonna go to bed soon, aren't we? We have to make the bed first though, which is what bit?
Yeah, you do.
You're gonna do it. Good night. Yum. Good? Good morning. I think that Sam is nearly ready. Are you ready? Almost. And then we are going to go to Wells next to the sea, I believe. Just like a bit of the coast and the beaches that we haven't been to yet. It's kind of sunny. Oh, the sun's just coming out now. I think it's going to be quite breezy on the beach, but it's still quite a nice day. And we're just going to go explore, and I really want a coffee. And yeah, hopefully have some lunch, have a wander, and then we've got a meal booked tonight at like a pub nearby. But it'd be nice today just to go for a nice country drive, end up on the coast. I'm trying to be more conscious and not look here at myself and look at you guys in here, but it's really difficult, so sorry if I'm not very good at it. Today I am wearing my favourite Flex Fit leggings. They are just so comfortable.
Ready.
Let's go.
Great, I like that.
It's too hot on and too cold off because it's Italian fleece, you know.
Oh, it's Italian fleece.
Betty Italian fleece.
Did it.
It's windy and sunny and beautiful. I'm so busy. Over there, look at all the beach huts. Don't know if you can see from here. Are you okay, Han?
I'm fine.
We're just doing a photo shoot. We are just chilling, pretending that this is ours, beach hut.
Looking at our new hut.
And this is the view. The sun's just gone in actually, but it does look pretty beautiful. It's really like proper sand, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
We love it, and we're not in suitable footwear, but it's not that warm.
It's actually not that warm, yeah, it's like pretty chilly.
Yeah, nice though. Fell asleep in the car on the way home.
Smuggling, wasn't it?
It's now 4:40 and Sam is very into the chase. It's just so chill because like when you're at home you just don't force yourself to do nothing. Like if it's a weekend or something and we're at home, we're like doing things, or like, I don't know, you're like washing or like doing life admin or seeing people. But here, you're just in your dressing gown on a Saturday afternoon doing sweet FA. I am obsessed with these olives. They've got like big lumps of garlic in them. Do you want some garlic?
Not on its own. I want an olive. No.
Making us the wine.
I'm making the wine.
This wine is from when we went to Avoriaz, isn't it? Skiing. And it was really cheap and really delicious.
I think it's like €4 or something.
Yeah, so, you know, bringing back the memories and having a cheeky glass of wine, watching a weird programme about singing the lyrics, but it's like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Don't forget lyrics.
Don't forget the lyrics. Oh, sorry, am I not educated enough?
It's like a genuine thing.
Oh.
He's going for time warp.
I would not know the words to Time Warp.
I think he seems to know.
Let's do the Time Warp. He loves it.
2 AM in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath.
For me, it's a pie.
For you, it's
Choice between the pie or maybe the goat curry.
yeah. I had the pie last time. It was good.
Yeah,
It's a difficult decision.
I can
Yeah.
feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around.
How was dinner?
That was good. Like, I'm so full.
They tried to charge us for a lobster when I had fish and chips. It's like, what is this
we didn't have
lobster? And now we're watching Lord of the Rings #3, and I'm very excited. Ooh, bit of Gollum. Goodbye, Smeagol. Oh. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday of the bank holiday weekend, and I have not long woken up, and I've got a really bad sty. I don't know if you can see. It's this eye here. Oh my god, it is literally so painful. So I'm gonna go and like put a hot something on it. Like, it hurts every time I blink. But I'm currently waiting for Sam to get up, all snuggled on this chair. These chairs recline, they're amazing. And I just posted an Instagram from yesterday. There were these gorgeous beach huts at Wells Next to the Sea, it's called. There's actually more signal here than there was last time, which I kind of wish there wasn't, because then I wouldn't go on my phone, but I'm just waiting for Sam, so I thought I would make one. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then go and do that. I post quite a lot of pictures and throwbacks and things, so yes. I've got a lovely coffee in this cute beach hut mug, and I've just been reading this. Well, I started reading it yesterday, and it's so good. I'd really recommend it. I've only read a few pages, or like the intro, so I don't know exactly, but it seems really good so far. Yeah, we're just having a super lazy day. Coffee is served. Coffee?
Thank you.
We have made our decision. I'm so excited. I didn't see this at first. There's like a tower of pillows here. We haven't watched this before, have we?
No.
Did you enjoy the film?
The bit when you smashed my mug just now, kicking all the crockery around.
Did you enjoy the film?
Yeah, it was good.
Sam's being a grunt, but it was a really good film. We really enjoyed it. It was quite emotional. Oh no, it's raining. I wanted to go for a walk, but it's raining. I might make some cookies instead.
We could do some cookies, to be fair.
This is my baking cookies attire. Ow. Cookie mix. Butter. Egg. Lunch is served. We had really nice avocado and crispy bacon on toast for breakfast, which I forgot to film. And now we've got a tomato, mozzarella, pesto pizza, and olives and hummus and crisps and some chorizo. So I am just editing this video, #Inception, and Sam is here sleeping. And the cookies are actually just in the fridge because it said to put them in the fridge for 2 hours in like a log shape, and then I cut them up and bake them.
We're going out for a little walk in the rain, aren't we?
Yeah,
you look great.
It's been raining all day, do I?
I love that look.
You feel me, your body wrapped around me, good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it, you and me. You got me losing sleep, I am in too deep like it.
Was that a nice walk?
Yeah, it was great. My boots are all foggy.
Okay, we're going back to the lodge now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Time for some
Bit cold. Cookies.
stodgy cookies
They don't
and
look very good.
average films.
Hey, the film looks
gonna
good.
be great.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
I got you a mug out for your tea, and I'm gonna have a mug of milk. They don't look that good, do they? they're not very round.
Too deep like an overdose, you're the antidote.
Getting a double dose of Hugh Jackman musicals today, aren't we?
We're literally on our 3rd film. This is such a chill day, and I'm about to cook our favourite meal. Sam's chopping the onions because my sty is so painful that I feel like this isn't going to make anything better. You're going to pour us some more wines?
Not white this time.
Yeah, we've just had a glass of red and I feel very sleepy now because red makes me sleepy. So let's have some white. Very healthy. Drink the wines.
I didn't get any.
Is it hot?
You can see she left her mark.
Pretty fucking good.
Yeah. Another morning, another struggle to get Sam out of bed while I'm drinking a turmeric tea. And the sun is shining, kind of. Morning.
Morning.
I am all ready to go in my active wear. I've got big socks on. Ow, my leg. Because I'm going to wear wellies because it might be boggy. Coffee has been drunk. Banana has been eaten. And washerwoman is ready to go.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind without warning. You dug in deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep. I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
chutney on one.
I don't think you can beat a sweet stuff.
You don't think what?
I think this is the best one.
Yeah? Oh, I'm excited then, because the other one was really good, and this coffee is really nice as well. I got extra jam.
One pot of jam was not enough, so she went and asked for more.
No regrets. So we are all packed up now and cleaned the place and ready to set off. It's about 3 hours home, so we might need to stop for some food or something. But I just realised that I didn't give you guys like a wedding update, a wedding planning update. And I guess the latest update is we're really excited because we've booked our videographers and photographers. I'm really out of breath for some reason. So happy with them. They're called The Wild Bride, are our 2 photographers. They're amazing, so lovely, and they're like a couple that obviously do wedding photography. And yeah, they're pretty much all booked up for 2019 now, so I'm so glad we got them booked. And then our videographers are called Ground Films, and again, there'll be 2 people. So we'll have 4 people there, so it'll be totally covered. And they make really amazing wedding videos where they like overlay the speeches to other footage and the music, and it just looks amazing. So so excited and so happy to have that booked, because for us, like, the photographers and videographers were the most important part of the day. Everything is just so expensive though, but trying to enjoy it and not stress. I've been doing a bit of dress shopping. I didn't film it, but I've been to one dress shop and it was amazing. It was like a designer place though, and they kind of make the dresses to fit you. I really loved one of them, and it was so different to what I imagined getting. But yeah, I've got 3 more dress shops coming up in September, so I might try and film some of it, because it'd be so fun to do like a wedding dress video. Obviously I wouldn't film the one that I would potentially choose, but the other ones I don't mind filming, so I might do that. And currently we are just like finalising guest list and looking at seating plans and stuff, and we're choosing our invitations, which is really exciting. I think we're going to get them like bespoke done, pay a little bit more and make sure they're extra nice, because I really want to frame one as well. But yeah, we are pretty covered when it comes to wedding planning. There's still always going to be loads to sort, but we feel pretty on top of things, don't we?
Yeah.
And talking about wedding planning.
Oh yeah. Well,
so,
you've been doing everything pretty much.
Oh, I've been doing everything. But yeah, next step is getting our invites out really, because we want to get them done ASAP. It's over a year away, but can never be too prepared. So that is the wedding update. We are going to drive home now, and I will probably end this video a little bit later. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Bye.
We are home and unpacked, and now we have to do the obligatory food shop.
Obligatory
food shop, and get our lives back together. Boom! I've got a face mask on. I use the Soap and Glory The Fab Pour, and I'm running a bath, and I'm gonna have Butterball from Lush, which is my favourite bath bomb. I just realised that I did not finish this video properly. It is now the Thursday after the bank holiday weekend, and I've just been editing it, so I've come here to say goodbye. I am wearing some new Sweaty Betty leggings. They're the Zero Gravity leggings, and I actually really love them. I don't usually love this fabric, but I really like the logo on them, and they fit really nicely actually. I think they've changed the fabric slightly. I don't think they're launching until next week, oops, but I really like them, so I wanted to wear them today. Sam is actually off work today because he's working at the weekend, so we are going to go out for lunch shortly, which will be nice, and we're also going to go to the gym together. But without getting off track, I'm going to end the video here and say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, I really appreciate it, and then you don't miss any videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media, all links will be in the description, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!